kick it one more time and I'm going to spray you. You understand me? Damn, before I got him kicking, I'm not about to administer pepper spray.
Today's video features a super angry cop that is called to a trailer house to investigate a ginger kid who apparently shot at the neighbor's dog with a pellet gun. At one point, the cop even threatens to pepper spray into the back of his own patrol car when the kid starts kicking the door. Squink here, ex-cop, future paleontologist, here to answer the question everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Today's video is no different. Let's jump in blindly and I'll give you my real thoughts. Here we go. I came in like a wrecking ball. Alright, here we go. Nightmare neighbor finally gets what he deserves from body cam files. Never seen it. Reacting in real time. Here we go.
On June 18th, 2024, police are called about a 19-year-old that was allegedly shooting a pellet gun at his neighbor's dog. They'll be surprised by what happens next.
What a piece of shit.
Yeah, I'll stay right here.
Dude, first of all, I'm going to ask you to calm down. Because if you're getting hot and bothered,
I'm calm.
listen to me.
I'm listening to you.
You getting hot and bothered walking at me with that
He's talking to his mom on the phone. Mom, I think I'm gonna go to jail for shooting the neighbor's dog again.
attitude? That ain't going to get you. That ain't going to get you. Listen to me. That ain't going to get you nothing but trouble. I'm telling you. You got your driver's license with you?
You're good here. You're good.
You got your ID? Stay right here for me.
Oh, okay, my bad.
You got your ID with you?
Yes, I have my ID, and you know exactly who I am. Because you're trying to get me arrested.
Dude, if I wanted to put you in jail, you'd be in jail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why do you keep telling my brother things, man?
Listen to you. I'm going to tell you what I told your brother. Is I've got 4 or 5 neighbors on the street saying that they saw you shooting that dog with a pellet gun.
Nobody saw me shoot the dog
Time
with a
out,
pellet
Chief.
gun.
Time out. First of all, you're shooting that dog with a pellet gun is actually animal cruelty, which is a felony. Okay.
Where's your proof?
Dude, I can come over here and investigate a crime. That's what I'm doing.
Where's your proof?
I'm not going to sit and argue with you. I am not going to sit and argue.
Entitlement. Entitlement and a Punisher t-shirt. That's what that is. Entitlement.
With you. But if you're going to start a fight with the neighbors, then I will put you in jail.
Start a fight?
Dude.
Yeah.
Turn
Put
around.
him in cuffs.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Dude, if you don't relax.
Am I getting arrested here, man?
If you don't relax.
You are arresting me here. All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Man, what the fuck?
Listen to me.
Slick bitch.
You better be relaxing, dude. Don't stand behind me. Don't stand behind me.
Put him in cuffs,
You better
man.
relax.
Man. Get the fucking cuffs on me already, nigga.
Yeah. Usually when people would start hooting and hollering and screaming and yelling, I would immediately put them in cuffs because that's just a huge indicator that things are only going to get more enhanced and they're probably going to start acting a fool physically. So best to just control them now, especially if they're just losing their minds over the simple presence of a police officer. Come on.
Hey, 30 number whiskey might
You're throwing
detain.
my life away right now. I got a job. I got car payments. I ain't done shit. I try and take care of my brothers. I try and help my mom.
Dude,
and you're over here arresting me for
If
nothing.
you don't
man.
relax, you're not arrested being detained. Understand that?
I literally got fucking hit.
Relax.
I got fucking hit, and you're arresting me.
Relax.
You're arresting me for getting
You're
hit.
being detained. Relax.
Fuck ass
You're not
nigga,
arrested
man.
being detained.
Fuck ass nigga, man. Shut your bitch ass up.
I love how his accent changed randomly.
Spread the legs for me.
I got a respect for cops.
Spread your
man.
legs,
You're
spread
a
legs.
piece of shit, man.
What you got right there?
That's my phone. I got a phone, I got keys, and I got a wallet. You need anything else?
Dude,
Ass nigga.
dude,
Fuck off,
relax, man. What is your problem?
I'm sick of you, man.
What is your problem,
I'm
dude?
just trying to
Relax.
live, dude. I can't
Relax.
live. Man, you ain't even
Relax.
let me talk. You ain't even let
I'm
me
about
talk.
to.
The simple fact is the cop is here to investigate this shooting of the neighbor's dog. Like, so he's getting here for the first time and this guy's coming off at a level 10 and like yelling at him and asking him all these questions. What I mean is the cop is there to investigate a crime. He has to investigate the crime. This kid's acting a fool and not making it easy. So it's best to just detain him, get him under control because he's obviously a problem.
pepper spray you. Relax.
Pepper spray me. You about all that, aren't you?
Probably shouldn't pepper spray him if he's handcuffed.
I'm gonna tell you one more time to relax. I'm gonna pepper spray you.
I'm literally relaxed.
You relax, I'm gonna pepper
I'm
spray you.
literally
Understand?
relaxed.
If you relax, I'll pepper spray you. Is that what he just said?
One more time to relax. I'm gonna pepper spray
I'm
you.
literally relaxed.
You relax, I'm gonna pepper
I'm
spray you.
literally
Understand?
relaxed.
The cop needs to calm down a little bit as well, though.
I'm standing here, not moving.
8:30, come in.
And you're the one tightening my fucking cuff, threatening to pepper spray me, threatening to tase me.
He needs to
I'm
do
the
a
one that got pushed. I'm the one who got hit. I'm the one who called the cops.
He needs to do a search of this kid before he puts him in the back of a patrol car.
But thank you, man. You're a real good cop, man.
At least a pat down of weapons.
He's in a pair of handcuffs.
Can I call my job? Because I got work to do.
Dude, you're just detained for right now.
One
Relax.
detained right now. Slightly 10-8.
Slightly 10-8 my fucking ass. Fuck ass pussy. Bald ass bitch. That's why I ain't
Just give you a heads up.
Heads up for what?
Everything's being recorded. You think, you get anything, you poke me, stick me, anything like that?
No, sir. I ain't got nothing. To my knowledge. I shouldn't have.
Right here?
That might be a knife. I don't know. I think I got one. Is it? Yeah, that's my knife. My bad.
Anything else?
I got a phone or something.
What do you got right here?
My keys right here in the left.
What's in there?
I'm not sure. You can check. Oh, lighter. And I got keys right here.
Nothing gonna poke me, stick me, cut me, anything like that?
Shouldn't be. Again, now that we're calm, can I please call my job?
Yep, give me a second.
Am I being detained? Am I being arrested?
You are
Yeah,
being
you're being
detained.
detained.
What do you mean by detained?
Right now, you're not under arrest. You're being detained for resisting without violence. Have you a seat for me,
Resisting
please?
without violence?
Yep.
What violence did I show?
Sir?
What violence did I show? What act of aggressive
Resisting without violence? Because I told you 3-4 times to calm down, and you come at me and threw your hands up? That's resisting
That's
without
not
violence.
resisting.
Okay. That's between you and your attorney.
Attorney?
Yep.
Why do I need an attorney? Man,
Right now, you're being detained. You understand that?
you're turning this into something that don't need to be.
I love how he's using the back of his patrol car as a closet. This is supposed to be totally empty for suspects because they can grab and use whatever they want once they're back there. So it's best practice just not have crap floating around back here.
Be, man.
All right. Just relax, remember.
You're turning this.
Don't eat MREs.
He's got his bag back there.
Shut your dumb ass up.
Dude, put your leg in. Now you're under arrest. Put your leg in
Why
there.
the fuck am I under arrest?
Put your leg in there, dude.
Pussy ass nigga, bro.
Put your leg in there.
I'm in there.
Do it one more time.
I'm
I will
in
spray you.
here.
You understand?
Why are we threatening to spray the back of the patrol car and him? Like, you do realize that shit's gonna seep into your area up here, dude, right? Also, he's handcuffed. What are we doing?
Having the power,
One more time
sir.
and I will spray you.
Oh my god, bro.
Relax.
Bro, like, I can't believe it.
I don't really like this cop.
Kick it again. See if I won't spray you.
This.
Kick that door one more time.
Yeah, just because they're kicking the door does not mean you get to spray them and use force. He's under control. Like, there's really not much you can do once they start kicking the inside of the back of the door. You just got to deal with it. You can try to get them to stop, but they're going to keep doing it.
Kick that door one more time. Kick it one more time and I'm going to spray you. You understand me? Yeah, before I got him kicking, I'm not about to administer pepper spray. Kick it one more time. Kick it one more time, dude. My best advice, you might want to calm down.
This cop is a douchebag.
Can I?
I understand he's frustrated, but you can't be threatening pepper spray when the kid's under control.
May I please call my job?
That's simple.
May I please call
And he's in the... He's also angry because he had to take all of his stuff out of his back seat.
What am I getting arrested for?
He's letting the kid get under his skin, and you can't do that as a cop.
Hey,
You just
can you write a witness statement?
you just can't do that.
Oh my God, of all people you asked to write a witness statement, you're gonna ask the one that's gonna kill me. No! No! Oh my God!
So I'm in the office. Apparently a neighbor called and said that they were fighting. So I get out of here. He's going in his house.
This cop's like, you didn't use excessive force and pepper spray into the back of your own patrol car again, did you?
He's coming in the house. Well, he sees me pulls up. Him and this guy come running at me. He comes running up the car, flinging his hands up, open his arms down, all that. He gets hostile at me. He's going in his house. He's coming in the house. Well, he sees me pulls up. Him and this guy come running at me.
I'm running at you? I don't know about that.
Up the car, flinging his hands up, open his arms down, all that. He gets hostile. Says he's been shooting dogs with pellet guns. Yeah. So he accused me of shooting pellet. I said, dude, I got 4 or 5 people, witnesses that you shooting dogs with pellet guns. But I haven't come into. So apparently, that's when he become 10-8, threw his hands up and all that. And that's where we're at.
Pepper spray?
No.
Not yet?
No. I told him he kicks that door one more time, he's going to get sprayed. This is the supervisor, one you can talk to.
Sean was charged with resisting an officer without violence as well as disorderly intoxication. His cash bond was set at $2,000.
Okay, yeah, I got a couple thoughts. Yeah, I don't think anyone came running up on him at all. People are going to get verbally escalated sometimes. That's part of the job. You need to relax. It's going to be okay. When they start getting physically violent, okay, then the story changes a bit. You can get more agitated and threaten pepper spray and things like that. But from what I've seen, what are you doing, sir? Why are we threatening to shoot pepper spray into the back of a patrol car simply because he's kicking the back of the door? I can't tell you how many times people I've arrested were kicking the back of the door. It's something you got to deal with. Unless you leg restraint them, they're going to do it. Even when they get their leg restraints, it still happens. But you can't spray pepper spray when they're in custody, cuffs behind their backs. They have no way of protecting themselves. What are we doing here? As far as him shooting the pellet gun at the dogs, we really don't. It's he said, she said. It looked like something he would do, honestly. If I'm going to be honest, if I can profile here for a second, it seems like something this kid would do. It sounds like he's had contact with law enforcement several times prior, because in the beginning he said, you should know me, or whatever he said. Yeah, I just think the cop got too amped up for not a very big reason at all. People are going to talk back. You just need to learn to deal with it and learn to verbally de-escalate. Overall, I give the cop let me think here, a D-. Just not impressed with him. Yeah, when he wasn't putting the handcuffs on him and just had the taser in his back, like, put the handcuffs on him. The second they start verbally escalating, you can do an investigative detention. If you feel they're getting amped up and they may turn to violence, or it's just easier, you can detain someone during an investigation. There's nothing that says you cannot. But threatening to tase him when his hands are behind his back, ready for your handcuffs, come on. Come on. And then threatening to pepper spray him, come on. What are we doing? I give him a D-. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.